Manjusha, you were the last person I met like overseas before the lockdown.
I
Think
think
about that.
my last interview too. It didn't.
Yeah.
We're not very good for each other, are we? But yeah, so but it's so lovely to see you acting, Masaba and Neena Ji. Of course, I know that you act so well. But it was very interesting to know that you're a good actress, Masaba. I saw the first two
Oh,
episodes.
thank you.
I'm hooked. I love this mother-daughter duo. Are you guys like this in real life? If so, I'm very jealous. But yeah,
Yeah, we are. Sorry, mom, you want to take it?
नहीं नहीं तो बोल मेरा गला दुख गया
अच्छा, ठीक है. No, I mean, we totally are. We are. And when we were writing this show and we were talking about the dialogues and the screenplay as well, we were like, it has to be our voice. Because, there is a banter, even the banter that we have on social media is exactly like that. Like it could be in our home. So, there's that little, that friendship, but it's also coupled with a very conservative mother-daughter relationship, I would say. So you'll see both sides in the show as well.
so that's right. How about you? What appealed to you, Neena Ji, about it? Is it because just to act with your daughter? I don't know if it's a good idea to work with family members, but you need to tell us, why did you choose to?
well I had no other option who else could have played her mom so I had to play
Yes.
so no I was very impressed and surprised initially when she told me Ashwini that she has this kind of idea and I was wondering what exactly is she going to do and then slowly Sonam came in and writers came in and then we shared a lot of our anecdotes with the writers and Sonam chatted, ate together and then they wrote this amazing script. So this actually is a very, very good script. I could not imagine them writing such a good script. And I was very impressed. And I did my job, and I was... I did not know how Masaba will do because it is her first time. So first time I heard her in the readings, and then I realized that kar legi, ladki kuch to kar legi. And but then when I saw the episodes, I was very impressed by her performance. Very, very impressed. I generally don't say it, but I had to say it.
I see. Yes, you do look very natural, Masaba, I have to say. Both of you. When I was watching the first two episodes, I kept wondering, is this real or is this a piece of fiction? That kind of, you guys are teasing the audience in a very interesting way. And that's what I loved about this. I didn't know when Neena Gupta, the actress, began, or the character began versus what happened in your real life. That's what you guys are banking on as well, or was that natural? I mean...
when we were writing it, so what I believe is that sometimes when you see something of this nature, right, it's so easy to be disconnected from either or. So sometimes, it's like when you see fact being played out on screen, you can be pulled out of that moment because it's so natural. Or when you're seeing fiction, you can be pulled into that so deep that you feel disconnected from the rest of it. So the thing is, everything had to be a flow, So of course, we're playing fictionalized versions of ourselves, but at the same time, it's for the audience to guess, when did this actually happen? Are we really feeling that? Or is this something that is scripted and has just been done to exaggerate our characters and lift them up? So I think I'd leave that to the audience's, discussion. But I just think that, we just wanted it to be, like I said, in our voice. It had to be genuine. It had to be... you have to feel like you're watching, someone's left a little door open and you're just getting a peek into somebody's life who you thought was a celebrity or somebody who you couldn't touch and feel and experience. So that's the idea. It's like leaving the crack of the door open, but not really letting them full access in a way, I would say.
Of course. What about you, Neena Ji? I mean, were you also aware that you're just teasing the audience a bit? Perhaps, some vicarious fun to be had here.
Actually, the fiction pieces are also written in such a way, the script, that it gels with the real. Okay? So it could have happened, and actually it has happened, but maybe it happened with somebody else, but it was real. So the way they have interlinked the fiction and reality, you think everything is real. You would not think ये scripted है, लेकिन ये नहीं लगेगा कि इतना सारा अपने बारे में बता रहे हैं, ऐसा भी नहीं लगेगा.
Right.
So there is a balance. It's not overdoing the real, but it's real. It will feel real. This is what I felt. Yeah.
Brilliant. And also the movie, this series explores the modern day relationships. Even the way you have handled the divorce, be it a single mother, it's dealt very delicately, and that's what I think speaks to us, right? At the end of the day, was that deliberate? Like, did you all want to showcase your own reality as well? Even if it has some warts and moles, it's okay. Doesn't matter. You're still putting yourself out there.
The fact of the matter is that a lot of that did actually happen, of what you see. However, there was, I don't know how to say it, but it's almost as if, we didn't want it to be, I didn't want it to feel like we're trying to hide something. So I was saying that, if you've come all this way, if we've come all the way here and I'm showing you this aspect of my life, which is obviously an important part of it, I want you to see it in the most organic, raw way possible. So in the handling of the relationships, of course it's raw, of course it's organic. It has its weaknesses, it has its strengths, and it also has its flaws. But I think the beauty was that everybody who sees it will realize that at the end of the day, if it's a celebrity or it's a regular person going through a heartbreak or separation or anything, their approach to life is rather similar after it, right? And no matter who you are in the course of the day, I think when you wake up and you go to bed, we're all the same people. Be it heartbreak, be it a success, be it failure, we're all the same people. So I think that was the intention. The intention was not to say, oh, what if someone says that, oh, this is what happened in her marriage, I mean, like I said, we've come all this way not to make people feel like they have been conned.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So there is a genuineness, but at the same time, I at least have made sure that I've protected the people that I love, and shown them in a light that they wouldn't feel misled by. That's about it, I think.
Of course. What about you, Neena ji?
It is very difficult to explain in words how we have dealt with this series, with this topic. It is very difficult. It just happened, and I won't have any words to say कि fiction कितना है, real कितना है, but जो किया है, that will sound real.
Okay.
That will seem real.
Fantastic.
That's what. It's very difficult to find a word for that.
Oh, fair enough. Masaba, I remember you telling me in Dubai that you have always wanted to be an actress, and somewhere I think your mom dissuaded you. I'm not very sure. I can't remember the exact words. So don't
exactly that.
Yeah. Like your mom is around. Would that be a bit?
No, I said I after seeing the series, I said sorry to her.
Oh, I truly want to. I do want to. I was like, oh, I wish there was faith there because you're a good actress. Is it? But did it live up to your expectation of facing the camera? Did you love being on camera? In your own head, did you think acting is so exciting, and did it live up to it?
Yeah, I mean, I think it lived up to more. It was much more than I expected it to be, and I think just earlier today, someone was saying, "Have you tasted blood?" And I said, "I have." The thing is, I had tasted blood when I was 14 years old, and all these years there was this itch at the back of my head where when someone tells you can't do something because of the way you look or whatever, you just want to do it more, And the one thing I did know for sure was that I never wanted to do it at the cost of, which is why when my mom told me don't become an actor back when I was 14, I said okay. I didn't argue because she said, you'll be given this type of role and that type of role, that typical dark, sultry heroine who has come to break a family marriage, that way.
Yes.
And yeah, so I was like, I don't want to be put in a box because of my physical attributes, Having said that, I also told her that I don't want her to do my sifarish. I don't want her to be like, oh, my daughter, and please audition her and blah, blah, blah. I didn't want any of that because I really wanted to do it on my own merit. but I think today, and I think the reasons for me wanting to become an actor back then were wrong. Today they are right. Back then I just felt like, oh, I'll be glamorous and I'll be on the poster and I'll be on a hoarding and everybody will stop me and ask for a photograph and I'll wear dark glasses and I'll be like, not right now, you know. But I think today I want to be an actor because I love being on a set. I love being in front of the camera. I love the process of, I love the whole process, you know. And I think it also makes a difference that I have a career in fashion. And I don't want to take away from that, because I think, you know, the fact that I have a full-time job, the fact that I have something that I know I have a fallback on, or that I will always do in my life, I think it helps. Because I think when you enter the field of acting and films in a manner that, oh my God, will I have food on my table next month, or will I know survival, you know? So this isn't about survival, it's about pure passion. So I think I approached it in that manner, which is why I was more relaxed, and that's probably why you see me more relaxed on screen as opposed to anything else.
Oh, that's so heartening to hear. And Nina ji, it's very democratic of you to say that I apologize to her. I said not, because it's not easy for parents also. You're just protective at the end of the day, I think. I mean, I'm a mom of 3, so I totally get this. I keep telling my kid not to join gymnastics because I'm scared she'll be shot. I think it's a weird thing.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Yeah.
Gymnastics make you shot, I don't know, but I just have this in my head. So I want to ask you, like, maybe even I may have to apologize to her later, but in your case, what did you, what did you observe about her, Nina ji, about your own daughter as an artist, more than just your flesh and blood?
As in this series, as an actor?
An actor. You are seeing her, she's a discovery of sorts, you know, in this series.
Yeah. So she had all kinds of scenes in the serial. I mean, you can say all Navarasas are there. Like she had to do very difficult scenes, emotional scenes, fun scenes, tense scenes, a whole lot, because it is about her. And I, like people are saying, I agree. I found her very, very natural, very, very realistic and relaxed. And that is the main thing. And obviously, when you see yourself acting, especially first time, you only see you and you don't like you. I mean, you find so many mistakes and all, which is very good. It's very nice to find faults with your first venture like this. But I came back and I said, I have never said this to you like this, but you are very good. This is what I said to her.
I second that, Masaba. I totally second that. Our 12 minutes are up. Is there anything you want to add? I know we have very limited time, but go ahead. You know, I would love to put perhaps any thoughts you have on the series, and because people are looking forward to it for sure. And it's like it's not like keeping with up with the Kardashians. It's not that salacious, but it's still fun. It's first of its kind in India, at least I think. There's a bit of a window into your lives. So go ahead. Add, and that's it. We can end the conversation as well here.
I think for me, actually, Manjusha, more than of course, the process was great. Being on screen was great. Reliving all those moments were great. But I think for me, I see this, and I decided a week before the trailer came out. I said, you know what, I'm really going to have fun. I'm going to enjoy both the appreciation as well as the criticism. I'm going to take the criticism well. I'm not going to become one of those people who goes into a shell, because if I'm not received the way I think I should be received, I'm not going to go into a shell. I'm going to keep living my life, and I'm going to keep trying and do better. That's one. The second thing is, I see this series not just for what it is, which is a peek into our lives, but I also see it as a personal victory for myself, because I think all of us agree that this industry is reserved for a few. It's reserved for people who look a certain way, who have a certain skin color, who have a certain body type. But I think the time has come for it to be reserved for people who can actually just purely deliver as well. So I think everybody can have their place in the sun. I want this to be a victory for girls who feel like, who feel less when they've looked into a mirror at a certain age and felt like they can't join the movies for a particular reason. I want them to think of this as a happy place, one where you can protect yourself and still do great work. So I see this as a personal victory. I mean, just the show releasing itself is a big victory for me, one that I think I could have only dreamed of. And I think I can be a champion for body positivity and skin and blah, blah, blah. But this is the actual war. This is the actual sort of my dream of saying that, you know what, hey, you and you walking on the street, you here, you all can be in front of the camera.
Oh, that's good. You're shattering stereotypes. I love it. Nothing like that. I love this walk cry. Neena ji, thank you so much. Both of you.
Thank you.
I love you both.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.